Hi guys, welcome back to the my channel. Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that's been missing from the affordable provider for a while. Natural, the question is Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Upbeat music before we get started. I will left the best discount deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builders with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that includes the builder. This is a great deal. While platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one side, Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 websites with a single affordable plan. However, this means there are no try before you buy option you pay upfront, but there's a 30 month guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose hosting a website builder. The builder offer of our 100 unique looking template, while some start to look similar. Many are modern and flashy with no premium logo option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciate the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy. Just drag and them from the tab. Although there are not many elements to choose from, there enough for most websites. I love how you can add image from free library on or your phone quickly. A feature beginner well appreciate is the grade system. It split the design into secure speed, speeding up the process by eliminating the need to move element pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what available. Pricing now for the fun part. Pricing Hostinger is one of the best value provider since you are buying hosting not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value through lies in the premium plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage, no bandwidth, unlimited a free domain, and up to 100 websites. That probably the best deal out there, especially with all discount link below. Hosting renewal rate are also consumer friendly with pricing doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce hosting website builder is a great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's super perfect for small business. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just waiting to sell a 5 item online. Managing inventory and handling product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance is crucial, especially for online shop. If you are side load slowly, UI loss customer Google recommended a load time under 2.5 seconds. Hosting a website builder is light and fast and with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder IV reviewed, and within Google recommended time from blogging. Hosting shine for business site and portfolio, but not as much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it lack the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as a separate page, which can be tedious AI tool. Hosting a web builder offer a new 5 AI tool to help you get started. An AI logo generator, AI writer, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, this tool are helpful for beginner. Conclusion: if you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger may be the answer. It's the cheapest premium web builder the market with above standout performance and plenty average, so I highly recommend giving testing a try. Thank you for sticking around for this watching the review. If you want to more, I leave a like on this video. See you all later.